The next thing I like to talk about is the two papers that you're going to have to do that I will post as the course continues. Chances are I will post the first test in week 1 and the second test in week 3. Now, what's the test like? The format. The test is going to be the same format as you are using for your term paper, only it's a shorter version. You go through the same thing. Only you're not going to have to choose something. I will assign something based on what's happening in week 1 and week 3. The course is broken down into 3 separate sections. The first section being the building blocks of leadership. And then we get into the theorists, and then we get into different types of leadership, transparent leadership and servant leadership, and go into a lot of detail. So I will be assigning those week 1 and week 3, and I'll let you know when that's going to happen. I might even be observing a video and I'm asking you to assess it. So where am I going with this? Okay, how long should that be, the test? How much should you write? Well, usually a hypothetical assignment is 2 to 3 pages, double-spaced, and it's either going to be an APA or MLA format with about 3 or 4 references. Now, where can the references come from? They can come from your notes. They can come from one of the YouTube videos you observe. They can come from the internet. Just not try to have them come from all the same source so you can get a good diversity of references. Even if you wanted to, you're talking about a whole page or something, use a URL link. As long as I can click it on and read it, I'm good. It's a valid reference. If you interview somebody, make sure you tell me the time, the place, and who it is, and all the information in the reference. Alright, what else? So, how long should the term paper be? I probably didn't tell you the first time around. Well, you can kind of do the math. It's like it's 1.5, 2 pages per each one of your goals. So if you got 5 goals, you got 10 pages with references, that type of thing. And 2 to 3 pages for the tests, which I call hypotheticals, week 1 and week 3. That's it. Short, sweet, to the point.